concerning anybody. I'm the one that did the video because I've been wanted to do the video before she made me to sign something.
Going to talk about this. Now, Joy, my previous worker, actually called someone close to me. I was begging the person to beg me to forgive her, that somebody was the person that called her to make that video about me.
For editorial don't reply again. Editorial don't reply again. I have message now they watch now. Last night before I go out, my sister Emmy, Delicious Emmy channel, where she they do live stream. I never watch editorial video. I just watch UK video. When she drop, then I react to it. I'm a mom of two. My children just come back from school that time. So then I need to bath them. I need to prepare food for them. No beside them. If you want to really know, I get family channel too. I don't talk how when my children they close for school. That particular time they busy. I want cook evening food for my children. I just watch only UK video. I see editorial, but I leave editorial first. I watch UK on because I know say now cry when editorial cry. Now UK they respond to. Then I need to pause editorial to watch UK. I never even watch Casey. That one, the video they come up, I'll drop the video because they asked me question yesterday and I reply for live stream and I will explain now well for my channel. Yes, my people, our sister editorial, she don't reply, she don't finally come outside about her help, about Joy when it come outside. My beautiful sister Joy, I don't get anything against you. Only way I know they like if human being do to any human being in this earth. So you want try to climb. That person you meet for that up, you want try bring her down so that maybe you did that position. I know they like human being like that. If you want climb, you can use that person climb with style without you not bring her down. I like people like that. When this Joy actually come out for this street, talk about editorial, it might do me like this, she can't they cry. I look her. I say, why now? Because me personal, I watch them. I they watch editorial, I know they drop comment all the time. I watch you when the children, they say they go mix her. If you want to see the video, maybe I should put the video for here. If I add them, accept them. Because I don't know why YouTube, if I want to put the same video, maybe video similar to the video, YouTube, they reject them. If you go, my first video of Joy, now if you go watch her, now see, wait till I talk. I not ever agree. I was thinking, I been a person there behind the thing when I push the girl come outside. I bet this guy just say, this is my opportunity to shine. Peace or the rain. Let me just shine. I been a somebody. Just tell and say, you know, see what they happen. I bet go do video so that you can use and blow. Editorial na big YouTuber. All of us know editorial na big YouTuber. True, the Joy know they use editorial account to the clan. Comment what's coming out. If they don't see Joy editorial, we go a lot. That is editorial. No matter what you do on this earth, you must get hurt. You must get lover. You must get the one way not just to send you. You must get the one way go send you. Go they know your matter. That's what this word be. Everybody can like you. Editorial go get love, it go get hate, it go get, those people when they don't send her, they go rush, go that person house. Go they see what the editorial do. I see that, I carry myself, I say, now so these words be. Why now? Me personal Naija Daughter family TV, I was asking myself, why now this girl come? Not be today you come out for editorial house. You don't tell you come out for editorial house. My head was a little bit confused. Then I give out my own word. Don't ever try to bring somebody because you want to climb. You can climb with somebody with person name without you not bring that person down. I can say, if not true, say editorial, I really use police to arrest you. Bring the evidence, come out. Behold, editorial by herself. She come as China. She drop the comment. Then she can later delete the comment. I can say, why she delete her? That one, that one. Everybody get their own for body. I know they join everybody. I know they join anybody. I just they talk how me feel. Because now the niche of this my channel. I know they look anybody face. I know they talk, say, let me talk because you go know me. No. As far as a matter they street, how me think that's how I take bring and come outside. I was shocked last night when I listened to editorial video. I believe that I go to fair play before now watch my own. When editorial said the girl don't call, this is the same Joy. She don't call person when they close to her. Say now one of the reactor. Me, I don't get person contact. Now video when I see for street, now the reactor. Say they communicate with no why. As far as say me and you, we don't get any communication before the matter bust. As why I can't go they trigger things. No, I was shocked. I say this thing. I really think about it. Say it not be this girl hype. I never know whether not truth or whether not be truth. Till Joy come out this matter. In fact, I they talking as they stretch. I they talking as they stretch. He say if Joy come, Joy wan talk. Because person when he maltreat you, you know say you wan go back to your house. Many of us don't stay with people, person. There is some people when you go say lie, you will never ever go back. If Editorial, she dey read dey maltreat them, that girl for not say she wan go back. Okay, if the Joy, my sister, if you meet this my video, you don't be adult. I still know say you still dey grow up. No, you dey how whether na desperate to make it or you want go back to school. Maybe they feel brainwash you. Say, you don't know say you feel make you can't use and they go school. My sister, I don't know what Peter will tell you. I know say you are still growing. If you not take that decision, you can still make am without you not break. For you to say, if na me, I be Editorial has help. Her former has help. If you will talk that one, when this girl matter, they will they ring. I get wetin I go talk. I get wetin you know. People will they subscribe to you because Editorial people when not to send them, they will come. They want listening to that thing. You can use them monetize your channel without you know say anything. Now they will come. They ask you, this girl, may we leave her? She don't. May we leave her? Na still my sister. You don't already monetize your channel. And you just a brief story. Than for that person to cook you, you just fall. I don't know who be the person. First, let's wait. May we hear from you and make the person still come out. If you be anybody when they react, you contact this girl. Please try to come out and clear the hair. Now be that one. My beautiful sister also, Editorial, and UK, I still watch your video just now when you talk about Editorial, they build house. Congratulations to you. That is the good news we love to hear. Yes, that is the good news we love to hear because I don't feel make a separate video because almost what you talk for your first video, now you still talk. Let this matter end. Let this matter end. Okay, now wait, I will still try to talk. Editorial say she know the matrix person. You know, where you for good, another person for you will feel from there bad. Where you for bad, another person for feel there for good. Now so me they look at. Editorial feel good to people when they stay with her. Because waiting is suffer, I don't want to make people person suffer. Editorial feel needs people around her because she no fit stay lowly. That kind of people still there. If he still there without he go they maltreat people, but she enter go now. It prove her to us say she not maltreat anybody. Say if he make pot of soup, she the share am. And we the all of us they see how Editorial say they cook. She they read they cook. For me, I still believe her for that one. Say Editorial no fit use hungry. Say big person. And Joy, when Editorial tell her say why you go use my husband plate take eat. Joy no ever deny that part. Say Editorial collect the food. Not use my husband plate take eat. Now be that one. Hey, Editorial, you all day your body. A husband plate. Now my papa time. Now my papa you get your plate, get your spoon. They get my papa cup. They get. But now my God no will send. And you still talk about chair. You say no, they agree make person lie down for your chair. What do you buy the chair for? Editorial. Hey, you're there, what do you buy the chair for? You buy the chair for fancy. You say now your house, yes, and my sister, now your real house. Now wait till you want, you know. Lie down for chair, not really good. But for me, I not send. I love everybody. Free. What if you come to Europe? You see person in this street because I know many people when just lie down for this my chair. Person not see place sleep. And you see that person or your guy go carry and come and now room don't they occupy, everywhere don't they occupy. You know, like that for that your chair. Hey, my sister. Now wait till as you talk, you say you are a mother of your house. My sister, I don't follow you drag. Now wait till you want your house to be, now it go be. Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. I thank God say Editorial, I don't clear the hair. Make this matter end. UK video when you drop this morning, I don't wash your hands. You see they claim say now your sister and your mama stay your mama house, they be sister. As now they dig this thing, they come outside. Now so more go they come out. Please, let end it. If na still bring and come out, me, Esther, Naija Daughter, I go still sit down, sit talk my own because I don't already start to the talk put for this matter. And that is the niche of this my channel, okay? I still happy as Editorial talking. For me, may they let the matter die down. My people, I don't do this video before I see Joy drop video say nobody tell her to do this video to come out to talk about Editorial. Say Editorial they use police say they threaten her. Me I not gonna do one believe but I know say Editorial fit go report to police station when she come outside to blast Editorial. You understand? When she come out to talk about Editorial. But Editorial see say she call person when they close to her. I believe say Editorial go dey smart reach say go tell the person call her back record and put her for recording. Me I dey wait then I dey wait them but I go leave the girl video make una watch am make una see who they talk true or who they talk like because I don't not be this matter I talk for here but I just try to silence this part, then may I do voice over put. My people, now this one I get to talk, show me their talk. Everybody get their own for body. I see one comment when he say she get sister like one person of them, no one measure, you know. Nobody, all fingers are not equal. As you be, no be so your sister be, no be so your brother be. But ability to feel handle am, now we define and now we dey talk. We pray make this matter end. Those when they wait say make this matter end. If UK do normal video, make una dey watch. I believe say if una watch UK normal video, those saga go end. I believe una watch editorial normal video, those saga go end. And if you be person when they there, you dey clap say make this matter no end, abeg withdraw, make everybody let they are still family. As editorial take run comot for house, so as in fact this one, oh, nobody know wetin the girl see. That one, this video I wan deliberate on again also. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe if you never subscribe. Thank you all for always coming by to watch me.
Like lying against people. I don't really know the reason. Nobody asked me to do any video concerning anybody. I'm the one that did the video because I've been wanted to do the video before she made me to sign something. Because she know that she lied against me. She don't want me to talk. That was the reason why she's asked me not to do the video concerning her, why she have already lied against me. God bear me witness. God bear me witness. I don't know what I really did to her that I deserve all these things. I don't know. So I'm going to the station. She am threatening me with station. Fine, I'll go to station. All of you will see how everything will go. I'll be updating you guys on how everything happened. I didn't say that she's a bad person. I didn't say that she's a bad person. I'm not the one to judge. But if you know what is right, do it to people. Do to people what